Welcome to Marine Surety, where we prioritize your peace of mind on the water. As a trusted provider of marine insurance, we are dedicated to safeguarding your boating experience from unexpected challenges. Our mission is to ensure that you can enjoy every moment on the water without the burden of worry. Boating is a beloved pastime for many, but no matter how skilled you are, accidents can happen. Operating a boat without insurance exposes you to significant financial risks. Imagine colliding with another vessel. The damage can easily run into thousands of dollars, and without insurance, you are left footing the entire bill. Real-life stories highlight the devastating consequences of ignoring marine insurance. In one case, a boat owner faced legal action after a minor mishap that resulted in injuries. The legal fees and compensation were astronomical, and it took years to recover financially. Marine insurance is not just an option. It is a necessity for anyone who takes to the water. That's where Marine Surety comes in. Their marine insurance policies are designed to protect you against unforeseen incidents, giving you peace of mind. With Marine Surety, you can enjoy your time on the water without the constant fear of financial ruin. Their tailored policies can help ease the burden, ensuring that you have the right coverage for your needs. Don't wait until it's too late. Securing marine insurance through Marine Surety could save you from a heartbreaking and costly experience.